Hello guys, my name is Joe and welcome back to another cryptocurrency related video. In this video we're going to be talking about the Hashflare mining contract that I bought a few videos back. Alright, so 3 videos ago I went ahead and I used the profits from a litecoin trade that I made where I made over 400% gains and over $2,000 to purchase a Hashflare mining contract. Now, at the time, I bought 15 terahash, which was quite a bit of power. It was about $2,200 US. And since then, I've used some of my profits that I've gotten to bump this contract up to 17 terahash. Now, if you go back to the last video, I talk more in depth about why I chose Hashflare and why to buy it at that specific time. But it was basically that I was going to get a return on my investment in 60 days or slightly over 60 days. And that's just like a crazy return on investment for a cryptocurrency mining contract. Now it's been almost exactly a month since I bought that Hashflare mining contract, and if I hadn't paid for an extra 2 terahashes of hash power here, I'd be at around a 30% ROI, I'd say 30 to 40%, which is kind of exactly where I expected it to be for that 2 to 3 month ROI period. One thing to consider, guys, is that Hashflare is currently in a beta of their new withdrawal system, so they're not letting people withdraw less than 0.05 BTC. Now, this means that in my case, I'm going to have to wait at least a month and a half into my mining contract before I can even withdraw any Bitcoin from the website. So because of that reason, we can almost exactly calculate how much BTC I've actually received back onto my account after making that initial investment. So I've reinvested about $370 US worth of Bitcoin, and our current balance is 0.033 BTC. So as you can see, I've got roughly $485 US in my account right now, and we reinvested about 370, which means we've made about $855 US back on our initial investment. So now if we take this number and we divide it by roughly what our initial investment was, you can see that we are at a 33% ROI, which means we're going to make our money back in less than 100 days. In that last video, I actually recommended that you guys buy as much Hashflare hash power as possible, simply because you're either going to double or even triple your money over the course of the year. Now, since then, Hashflare has actually upped their prices, and to buy the same amount of power that I bought in the last video for $2,200 US, it's now almost It's now over $1,000 more expensive to buy the same amount of hash power. But guys, I just want to show you that my hash power from the last time I made my purchase is still extremely profitable, and this mining calculator is looking like I'm going to make about $9,500 off of my $2,200 investment. And if we go ahead and up this gigahash amount to the new amount of power that I have, and we up this to roughly how much I spent on the power, I'm looking at around $10,800 for my $2,600 investment over the course of a year. Now, if we look more closely at this calculation, you can see that our days to break even is still under 90 days, which is just incredible and the best kind of mining contract that you can get on the market. I would recommend Genesis Mining, link in the description. But they're all sold out of contracts right now, and in fact, they've already done a pre-sale for March activation of mining contracts. So I would still recommend buying Hashflare contracts if you have the money to spare, and if you don't have the time to actively trade different altcoins and cryptocurrencies on exchanges in the market. If you're a good trader, you can definitely make more money outside of mining contracts and outside of mining completely, just trading coins. But if you don't have that time, then mining is definitely your way to go for that passive income building. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like the tickers above my head. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.